Yo, what is up guys? My name is TylaDubya and today I am back with another beatboxing tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching the PSH Snare.
Now I'm here.
TylaDubya Beatbox channel.
Real quick, before I get into the video, I do want to say that if this is your first time seeing a video with my face in it on this channel, you should consider subscribing, so I upload a new beatboxing video every Thursday. And for you subscribers and soon-to-be subscribers, you need to make sure you hit that notification bell to make sure you get notified whenever I put out new content or make a new post, because apparently YouTube does not like to notify you all the time even though you're subscribed to me, so do it! And for something fresh, I want you guys to comment down below who your favorite beatboxer is right now. Consider this like a question of the day, you know? I want to know, who is your favorite beatboxer in the scene currently? And smash that fucking like button! Should we beep the fuck out?
Yeah,
So beep the fucking fuck out of the motherfucking video, right?
Yeah, next line!
So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be teaching the PSH Snare, which is a core fundamental sound of beatboxing and a basic drum kit sound, and something I consider uber necessary to have in your sound arsenal. I use the word uber. I should do Uber videos. They call me Mr. Wobbles. The PSH Snare is actually one of the first sounds I ever learned as a beatboxer, and honestly, I think it's an extremely easy sound for you guys to learn. And I'm gonna make it even easier for you guys to learn the sound, because I broke it down to 3 simple, easy, beautiful, perfect, amazing steps. The first step to learning the PSH Snare is gonna be doing a percussive P. Now, I just released a PS Snare tutorial, and I explained the percussive P perfectly in that, so I'm gonna go ahead and roll the clip of my explanation there, instead of just redoing the same exact thing. It's literally taking the letter P, taking out the vocalization, and keeping the percussive portion of it. So to practice this, just take any word with the letter P, like people, piranha, practice, poop, and just, you know, percuss it. That really is the main concept though. Just take any word with the letter P and remove the vocalization, like people, people, people. It actually kind of resembles a kick drum, so if you know the kick drum, just try doing the same thing but with the letter P. If you don't know it, you can go check out my tutorial for that, link down below, but it is the same concept with a different consonant. So instead of B, B, it's P, P, B, B, P, P. So after that, you guys should now know the percussive P. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. Step number 2 is gonna be doing a shh sound. So you know how when you want to tell someone to politely shut the fuck up, you're just like, shh, just do that. So the shh sound is actually really self-explanatory, so I'm not really gonna go into it on this video. Just make sure that you just replicate shh. But if you guys do have problems, comment down below and I will be happy to answer those questions. Step number 1 and step number 2 are now both done, so we're gonna move on to the third and final step. And this amazing third and final step, as I'm sure all of you beautiful people guessed it, are comboing the percussive P and the shh sounds. So what you guys need to do is take that percussive P, the and your shh sound, like shh, 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 put them together like psh, 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 psh. So the most important thing to note about this combination though is you're going to be doing the P and the SH at the same exact time. They start at the same time, and you need to make sure that you're doing that to make a nice cohesive PSH snare. So to demonstrate this combination, I'm going to go ahead and do some nice slow exaggerated examples. One more thing to note is that the sh portion of the sound has to be nice and short to have a nice, clean, and crisp PSH snare. Let me go ahead and demonstrate what I'm trying to say here. So instead of a nice long PSH snare like you want to have it nice and short like but that's not going to mean that there aren't any times that you do want to have a nice long PSH snare, but you know, for general purposes, it's nice to keep it clean, short, and concise, and crisp, and beautiful, and amazing pop. So those are the 3 steps to learning the PSH snare. I hope you guys have learned it by now. If you haven't, don't be discouraged. Go back through those steps, walk through the tutorial, and learn the sound, but we're going to go ahead and move on to some practice beats now so you can perfect it. So for these practice beats, we're going to utilize a Soundburner Pulse vibration-based metronome, which is an amazing tool you guys can use in your practicing. If you want to get one, there will be a link down in the description below for you to purchase it. The first beats are going to be at 120 BPM, so go ahead and set your metronomes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This next beat's still going to be at 120 BPM, but this time we're going to dance a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same tempo, but let's go ahead and level up that dance speed a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Now for a classic dubstep pattern, go ahead and set your metronomes to 140 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, guys. Now you guys should be a champion at the PSH Snare. If you've had any problems at all, be sure to walk back through the steps in this video, go through the practice beats, become a champion at it. But if you do have any problems, be sure to put them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer those. And be sure to click that like button because it really helps me understand what kind of content you guys enjoy. Plus, I heard it's what all the cool kids are doing. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Click that notification bell so you get notified of all my content. Be sure to comment down below who your favorite beatboxer currently is. Share this video with all your friends on all your social media because that would just make you an amazing person. Except you guys are like already all amazing, beautiful people, so just go ahead and share it. And support me on Patreon where you get all the dope Patreon-only perks like Patreon-only live streams, merch discounts, behind-the-scenes stuff, so do that. Stream my album Dragonfly on Spotify, purchase it on iTunes, all that amazingness. Links for that will be down below. Purchase one of these amazing metronomes, link down below so you can level up your practicing game. Check out all the other links down below for all the other equipment I use so you can level up both your video, your audio, and your beatboxing game. But as always, the most important thing is that you guys have an amazing, perfect, fantastic day. Sever the strings from the puppet to cut them down.
Now I'm here.